Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and it's 9:30 PM right now. मैं पढ़ रही थी and I was wondering that I'm going to get busy for next 24 days because all the design aspirants must know that College of Art has released their 2021 prospectus and they have their exam on 7th of September and procedure for admission year 2021 only for the academic session 2021 due to the prevailing condition of COVID-19 and for the safety and security of the candidates, admission to undergraduate BFA course are merit based, that is based on marks scored in class 12th board / qualifying examination and marks obtained in the entrance test, the aptitude test, general knowledge and fine arts subject for all the specialization will be held online. Okay, so this year there will be no practical examination, that is still life and composition will be conducted in their campus. So basically इस साल कोई प्रैक्टिकल एग्जामिनेशन नहीं होगा स्टिल लाइफ और कंपोजिशन का. दे आर ओनली टेकिंग ऑनलाइन एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट and for that they have allotted campuses. So one second. Online aptitude test, general knowledge and fine arts for all specializations of BFA. So what they'll ask in it: multiple choice question MCQs related to fine arts and visual art, including method and materials, personalities, current affairs, including art and culture, both in Hindi and English. Okay, and okay. One second. Centers for online entrance examination, aptitude test, general knowledge and fine arts. Due to 85% of the sanctioned intake shall be allocated for Delhi region, 15% one second shall be allocated. Okay, so basically what they are saying is that 85% वेटेज उनको मिलेगा जो दिल्ली के बच्चे होंगे, ऑलरेडी दिल्ली से उन्होंने अपना 10th 12th किया होगा, उनको 85% वेटेज मिलेगा. और जो दिल्ली आउटसाइड ऑफ दिल्ली हैं उन्हें ओनली 15% वेटेज मिलेगा. एंड ड्यू टू दिस द डेजिग्नेटेड सेंटर्स आर एज फॉलोज: दिल्ली, गुड़गांव, फरीदाबाद, मेरठ, नोएडा, बनारस, चंडीगढ़, भोपाल, पटना and Jaipur. Okay, so these are the centers where they will hold their online entrance exams. So I am from Lucknow and I have to travel to one of the campus. So let's see where I go. And also for that I'll make a vlog. I want to share my design journey with you guys, like from the starting of my college admission and to the end of the college degree. So I really want to share my journey with you guys. So let's start with giving the entrance test and all that part. Okay, apart from this, the method of selection. Okay, only for the academic session 2021 due to the prevailing condition of COVID-19, admission to undergraduate BFA courses are okay. Yeah, we have already read this. Weightage of 60% marks will be given for general knowledge and fine arts aptitude test, and weightage of 40% marks will be given for marks secured by candidate in the 10+2 or equivalent examination. Okay, and also आपका 7 सितंबर को एग्ज़ाम होगा and they will publish their result on 11th of September, which is very very fast and very soon. I just hope let's see what happens. Okay, so yeah, they are saying that जो आप अपना एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम दोगे उसका 60% वेटेज लिया जाएगा नंबरों का, और जो आपका दैट इज़ जो भी आपने नंबर 10th and 12th में स्कोर किए होंगे, 12th में बेसिकली स्कोर किए होंगे, उसका वेटेज 40% लिया जाएगा. और दोनों मतलब 60% 40% ये परसेंटेज रेशियो है इनका वेटेज का नंबरों का, एंड इसी बेसिस पे आपका रिज़ल्ट बनेगा. Please go check it out, check the prospectus, check on the I will I will put the link in the description box. You can click on the link and go to their website, check the prospectus and go fill the form as soon as possible because you have very few days. Also, one more thing, I and a very dear friend of mine, Deepshika, who is a writer and I am an artist, we are collaborating and we have created a page on Instagram named as Details, meaning deep tales. So basically these tales are going to depict a visual image which will surely bring smile to your face. I mean, we are trying to get in depth so that we can make something which you can relate to the most. तो क्या होता है ना, जो ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें होती हैं जो हम अपनी डे टू डे लाइफ में एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं, और यही सारी चीज़ें अगर हम कहीं और पढ़ते हैं या फिर हम कहीं देखते हैं तो अंदर से फीलिंग आती है ना दैट आई एम नॉट अलोन इन दिस वर्ल्ड, समवन एल्स इज़ ऑल्सो एक्सपीरियंसिंग द सेम थिंग विच आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड. तो वो जो फीलिंग होती है ना, यार मैं अकेला नहीं हूँ, यही फीलिंग हम आपको शेयर करना चाहते हैं. एंड you know, these little things can make someone's day really special, and this is what we are trying to do, and we really want to bring smile on people's face. So yeah, show some love. We are doing this for a good cause, and please support us, follow our page, and thank you very much. This is it for today, and see you in the next video. Stay happy, keep smiling.